OER? More like OMG-ER, am I right? Hey there, content creators. I am here ready to decode the wild world of OER. Let me guess, you've heard all about OER and you're totally on board. But when you actually try to find a good one, it's like digging for treasure with a blindfold on. Like, seriously, where are all the good resources hiding? Sound familiar? Well, stick around till the end, because I'm going to give you the exact tools, search techniques, and platforms that'll turn your OER hunt into a smooth ride, not a scavenger hunt. What's your biggest challenge when searching for OER? Drop it in the comments. I'll personally reply with tips. Okay, first things first. You don't need to be some kind of tech genius to win at OER. I promise this isn't one of those I have 17 browser windows open and I speak fluent algorithm situations. You just need a few simple tricks, and I'm about to drop that knowledge on you like a surprise confetti cannon. No more aimlessly typing free educational stuff into Google and hoping for the best. We're going strategic, people. Ready to upgrade your search game? Let's start with a classic Google. But not just any Google search, we're going pro with Google Advanced Search. This magical tool lets you filter results by usage rights. So, under usage rights, select free to use, share, or modify, and boom! You've just banished all those pesky copyrighted materials from your search results. But wait, there's more! We're also going to explore platforms built specifically for OER. These are like curated treasure chests of free educational goodies, just waiting for you to discover them. Get those fingers ready to bookmark because I'm about to hit you with some OER gold mines. First up, OER Commons. This is like the Maya Angelou of OER platforms, organized, comprehensive, and packed with quality resources. Next, we have Merlot, which is especially awesome for all my higher ed peeps out there. Then there's OpenStax, home to some seriously legit textbooks that are peer-reviewed and ready to rock your classroom. And don't even get me started on LibreText. If you teach science, math, or STEM, this site is your new BFF. Chapter 4, Mastering Keywords and Filters. Now let's talk about keywords and filters. These are your secret weapons for finding exactly what you need without wasting hours scrolling through irrelevant stuff. When you're searching, use terms like Creative Commons, CC BY, Open License, or Public Domain. These are like magic spells that summon the free and legal resources you're looking for. And don't forget about filters. Most OER platforms let you filter by education level, resource type, like textbooks, videos, or worksheets, and even license type. Trust me, these filters are about to become your new best friends. Creative Commons Search Hacks. Need some eye candy for your lessons? Head over to Creative Commons Search. It's a one-stop shop for finding open images, media, and videos. This magical search engine scours the internet, hitting up sites like Flickr, YouTube, and Wikimedia Commons to bring you a curated selection of CC licensed content. So go ahead, grab that perfect diagram or explainer video. It's all legal and ready for you to use. Final thoughts. OER doesn't have to be hard. Listen, I get it. Finding the right OER can sometimes feel like trying to find a unicorn riding a roller coaster while juggling rubber chickens. But with these tools, tips, and a sprinkle of confidence, you'll be rocking the OER game in no time. Remember, you don't need to be a tech wizard to master OER. You just need to know where to look and how to filter like a pro. And that's it. You're officially an OER ninja. Go forth and create amazing, engaging lessons without breaking the bank. Outro. Now go forth and OER. So spill the tea. What's your go-to source for OER? Or which of these tools are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments below. I'm dying to know. If this video helped you unlock the secrets of OER, give it a like, share it with your team, and subscribe for more instructional design strategies, OER tips, and time-saving content tools. And remember, we simplify your creativity and innovations. See you in the next one.